Welcome to RE Network Services training section on Raspberry Pi. In this video, we will be learning how to build a Raspberry Pi for the projects. What is Raspberry Pi? Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized computer that can be plugged in your TV and a keyboard and used for browsing the internet and playing games. It can be also used to build electronic projects, and most of the videos we will be producing on this training session will be how to build and use the Raspberry Pi for several projects. Components required to build the Raspberry Pi projects. You need a Raspberry Pi hardware, and you need a OS image file, that is you can download it from the internet, that is the software or operating system required for the Raspberry Pi to run. And you need a SD card of 8 GB or 16 GB size. This is the one we will be installing the operating system. And you need a 5-volt micro USB power adapter, which normally we use it for powering up our mobile phone. The same can be used to power up the Raspberry Pi. And you need a HDMI cable to connect to the TV or a monitor, and you need a USB keyboard and a mouse. Okay, let's look on to the interfaces available on Raspberry Pi. We have audio output where you can connect your speaker, and you have RCA video out, which is analog type video. We can connect a monitor in this analog monitors, and you can connect USB devices like camera or a keyboard, mouse, and also hard disk. And some of the Raspberry Pi model will have more than 2 USB ports, that is 4. And this model shown in the figure is having only 2 ports. And you can also have you can connect your monitor to the HDMI port, which is available in all the models of the Raspberry Pi. And you have an Ethernet port where you can connect to a network interface to a router, and you have this is the micro USB port where you need to power up the Raspberry Pi and insert your SD card, which you build the image onto this slot. Okay, now preparation steps, we are going to go one by one. Obtain the OS image file from the internet based on your requirement. You want to install Debian Jessie, obtain this image. You want to install Ubuntu, you can also obtain this image from the internet. And even Windows is possible, but how far it can able to support, we need to check. And use this image writing software. You have downloaded the image file from the internet. Now we need to use this image file and prepare a bootable SD card. And we can use image writing software like Win32 Disk Manager, which can be used on Windows, and use the image downloaded and prepare a bootable SD card. And insert this SD card prepared into the Pi and connect your monitor and keyboard and power up the unit. Once successfully booted, you will be asked to log in with username and password. Use the default username and password provided during the download of the OS image and later change it for security purpose. After completion of the above step, Raspberry Pi is ready to install your applications. And Raspberry Pi can be used to build several applications like robot applications, VPN box. It can be used as a VPN, it can be used as a PABX, it can be used as a routers, monitoring tools, and etc. If you need support or assistance in preparing the Raspberry Pi for your project, you can contact us in the email address support@renetworkservices.in. We will be adding more videos on Raspberry Pi. Keep watching our channels and subscribe. Thank you.